If you already have a WordPress site that you want to integrate with Ontraport, the PilotPress plugin is a great solution. It integrates Ontraport's CRM with WordPress's content management system without a hitch. This PilotPress plugin does 3 things for you. It adds Ontraport's tracking scripts to all your pages. It makes it easy to add Ontraport forms to your WordPress site along with any videos you host in Ontraport. And it lets you turn your WordPress site into a membership site where people need to log in to view your content. This is the most exciting part, so I'll spend some extra time on it. If you set it up this way, members can update logins, view past invoices, or update credit card information all on their own. You can even use your membership site as an affiliate center. Your partners can log in to see their sales stats, commissions, and more. In this video, I'll give you a high-level overview of what the PilotPress plugin is and why it's important and what's possible with it. Let's start with some background. The PilotPress plugin was designed to connect your Ontraport account with WordPress. Thousands of website owners around the world use it to build some of the biggest membership programs in the industry. The PilotPress plugin is customizable and scalable. Like everything in WordPress, it's got a lot of options to give you fine-grained control over your customer experience. One of the biggest benefits of PilotPress is that you can easily control which pages or part of a page are visible to your site visitors. You get this kind of customization by setting membership levels. You'll create and set up these membership levels in Ontraport. Maybe you want a few tiers like gold, silver, and bronze memberships. Or if you have more educational content, you might give people access to Course 1, then Course 2, and so on. Once you set that up, each contact is assigned the appropriate membership level. Ontraport usually does this for you automatically. For example, say someone just bought your Course 1 membership, Ontraport can respond by assigning them a new membership level, Course 1 Access. Contacts can have as many different membership levels as you'd like. You're also free to add or remove those levels at any time. It all comes together in WordPress, where you decide who gets to see what. For every page of your site, you can open access for whatever membership levels you want. So let's keep rolling with that Course 1, Course 2, Course 3 example. In this case, you'd go to your Course 1 pages in WordPress. There, you'd make sure the only people who can see them are contacts with a Course 1 Access membership level in Ontraport. Of course, you can get fancy if you want to. For example, you could use automation to give contacts additional membership levels each week. With that kind of setup, you can release new course material to customers every 7 days. You can also use membership levels to show or hide individual parts of a page. For instance, maybe you want to show a promotion to upgrade to a gold membership. You can make it visible to your bronze and silver customers while hiding it from gold and above. You'll do this using shortcodes in WordPress, but we'll cover those details in another video. Last thing, you'll also have tools to manage logins, send passwords to your customers, and so on. I'll show you how that all works in another video too. So there's your quick overview of how the PilotPress plugin works and why it's so valuable for your WordPress site. Pretty exciting stuff, right? For more info and step-by-step details, watch some of the other PilotPress videos. You'll learn how to integrate PilotPress with your existing site and how to build and protect your membership site. I'll also show you how to manage passwords, create a customer center, and take advantage of other PilotPress features. Check it out!